Hey guys, welcome back to How to Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a BMW guys, pretty much any BMW. Many of you ask me how do you replace the variable timing camshaft sprocket guys. Also known as the Vanos Sprocket, some people call it the Vvt Sprocket. Stay with us, we will explain guys what needs to be done because it's very complicated procedure and we will explain why. Make sure you stay until the end and you will understand why shops charge so much to do that now. Before we start, if you need to buy any parts or tools for your BMW, check out the links in the description of the video below, and you can find guys where we get all our parts and tools from for a really good price, usually in very quick shipping. Another thing, every single car we get at the shop, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. Let us show you what we have here specifically, and what we are talking about. This is engine guys that actually can be found in BMW 1 Series, 3 Series, 5 Series guys, X1, X3, X5, and in Europe you can even find it in 6 and 7 Series BMW. This is one of the most popular engines. It's called BMW N52 engine. But even if you have a 4-cylinder, 6-cylinder, 8-cylinder engine, the procedure for removing and replacing sprocket will be about the same guys. Now, you hope guys that that's never the case with your BMW. Why? Simply due to the fact guys, you will have 2 sprockets for every cylinder head on your engine, because you have double variable timing system guys. And you can see this is one of them. This is the Vanos solenoids right here, and those are the sprockets. The sprockets have little holes that get oil through the camshaft, and they're controlled actually by the Vanos solenoid. The Vanos solenoid will send certain amount of oil through certain holes, so it can retard or it can advance the timing on each one of them. But unfortunately guys, Vvt solenoids, also known as Vanos solenoids on BMW, can be super easily replaced. If it's just the solenoid, you remove the bolt and you pull it out, you disconnect the wire, super easy guys. But the gear, the sprocket itself guys, that's a headache. At that point, what you will need to do, you will need to go ahead actually and remove the whole timing chain system. At that point, you're going to need special tools, you're going to need quite a bit of knowledge, because if you don't do it the right way, what will happen? You can actually mess up the timing of your car, You can bend valves, you can destroy your engine in just a few minutes, guys. So, if you don't have the knowledge to do that and the step-by-step instruction, don't do it. Now, we made a video on BMW N20 engine. It's coming very soon on the channel, how to remove and replace it. But in order to remove the Vvt sprockets, you need to guys remove the timing chain. You will need to install special tools that are going to hold your camshafts. You can see you have slots here. There is another one over there. So you will need to there is a special. You need to remove that cover. There is a special tool that gets bolted on top. There is a special tool that holds the engine at TDC point, and quite a few tools, guys. You will need to remove the timing chain tensioner, which is located right here on our car. And at that point, guys, you will need to remove the timing chain. The moment you remove the timing chain, in order to remove the timing chain, you will need to actually remove the sprockets itself, because on some BMWs you cannot remove the chain without removing the sprockets. That's how we install it too, together with the sprocket. So you get the idea, guys. It's quite a bit of complicated thing. It's pretty much tearing your engine apart just to replace one of those, and that's why it costs so much to do it. So hopefully that's not the case with yours. If you have any questions, let us know. Hopefully guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.